In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of AI videos with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this website is going to be in the comment section, and this is a platform where you can try it for just $1. So you could follow this tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here we're going to use the model Seedance 2.5. If here appears another model, you just have to click here and select the model Seedance 2.5. In the duration, if you want, you can do videos up to 30 seconds long, and if you want the video to be horizontal, you could use the aspect ratio 16:9. So now here, if you want, you can upload images, audios, and videos of reference, but I'm going to use only a prompt. The prompt is this one, and it's going to be in the comment section. And here, where I say the style of the video, is here in the final section. So if you want to do a video with the same style but of another thing, you just have to erase this and create your video, including this section of the prompt. But I'm going to put this again like that. And now we have to click this button, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.